How's it going, guys? It's Kevin from SubiSpeed. It's 2-Minute Tuesday, and today we're covering a question that we seem to be getting quite frequently these days, asking us what the difference is between the OLM Night Bar versus the OLM NB+R. So I've got both of them installed back here. The one on the left is the NB+R. The one on the right is the Night Bar. Visually, basically the same. They even share the same running light, as you can see, which is the outer red ring here. And that's basically where all the similarities end. The brake light and reverse light function are completely different between the two. For the brake light on the Night Bar, it's that center portion right there, and on the NB+R, it is again the outer ring, just brighter. If we jump to the reverse function, you'll see that the Night Bar doesn't have a reverse function, only the NB+R does, hence the +R, which stands for reverse. Now, both of these lights do include an F1 function built in. As you can see on the Night Bar, it affects the brake light. And then on the NB+R, it affects only the reverse light, not the brake light at all. So on the NB+R, again, it only affects the reverse light and not the brake light. The brake light will always be that solid outer ring. So I'm going to have Thomas toggle the F1 blinking off. So what you're going to do is step on the brake, and if you have the NB+R, you need to also put it in reverse, and then you're going to toggle the lights on and off quickly 3 times to turn that F1 function either off or on. So on the Night Bar, now you get that solid brake light in the center, and then for the reverse on the NB+R, it blinks right when you put it into reverse, and then it stays solid, and that's basically the differences between the two. And that pretty much covers it, guys. Again, I want to reiterate the fact that on the NB+R, the F1 blinking only affects the reverse light, not the brake light. I think that's where we're getting the most confusion. People are buying the NB+R expecting the brake light to have that F1 function, and then they get in and try and toggle the switch on and off, and the brake light is still solid. So that is the differences between the two. Let me know in the comment section down below which one you guys prefer, if you like the Night Bar or the NB+R. And I will leave the links down in the description. I'll see you guys next time.